guys, welcome back to Chicoria. Like you already know, we always try to draw something different or beyond the regular in Chicoria. Like anyone can draw a nice tulip with the butterfly perched on it, right? But here I tried to fuse both and created an interesting tulip with petals that look like monarch butterfly wings. It's real simple if you follow the steps closely. Let's begin. Start by drawing a big U shape. Nice and rounded U. Now we're gonna do all the petals in view. From here at this point, draw the first petal, a curved line till the tip. Looks almost like a leaf. Now the second one is gonna be behind it, so the line stops here. Now the third one is an inverted V shape, a wide V. The other two behind them, like this. That's it, the tulip is done. Now the stem, it's just a basic stem, 2 lines. It here, and let's do the leaf like this. Nice smooth curvy leaf. The second one is going to be longer. For the butterfly pattern, inside every petal I'm going to draw a concentric one with a rounded tip, leaving more margin space at the top compared to the sides. This way. Thin borders on the side and more margin space at the top. Follow the same steps with all the petals. More space. After the margins, we are gonna draw the veins of the butterfly wings. Just observe. This is a nice organic vein pattern. Follow the steps carefully. Or you could even draw them randomly, it doesn't matter. This is a common pattern found in nature, like on leaves. And we can even find it on a slice of any citrus fruit like orange or a grapefruit. Next, we're gonna fill the margins with random shapes having rounded edges. Squares and triangles with rounded edges. The antenna. Alright, it looks perfect. Let's start doing the black outlines. Fill all the margins with black, leaving the shapes white. Like this. Time for colors. Take a light orange. Fill all the wings. Do the shading with a darker one. Green for the stems and the leaves. Wow, that looks amazing. I hope you loved it too. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting ideas like this.